I will show you how to get the best balanced diet of your life. Stick around, it's easier than you think. First up, carbohydrates. Aim for 45 to 65% of your daily calories from carbs. Think whole grains, fruits, and veggies, the good stuff. Next, protein should make up about 10 to 35% of your daily intake. Lean meats, fish, beans, and nuts are your best friends here. Now let's talk fats. 20 to 35% of your calories should come from fats, but focus on the healthy ones. Olive oil, avocados, and nuts are perfect choices. And don't forget, fill half your plate with fruits and veggies at each meal. They're packed with nutrients your body loves. Add a serving of dairy or alternatives if possible. It's a great way to get your calcium and vitamin D. Hydration is key. Aim for about 8 cups or 2 liters of water a day. But remember, individual needs can vary. These percentages help you get a broad range of nutrients while keeping your energy balanced. Simple, right? So let's start balancing that plate today. Your body will thank you.